Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you are all fine at your homes. Well, cranky days, fuzziness, sleepless nights, and drool running down from your baby's chin. These all are the signs that your baby is going through teething process. So guys, you might have guessed today's topic. It is all about teething. Teething is never fun for babies and not even for anyone who involved in this process with babies, especially moms I am talking about. The only thing which relieves your tension is the appearance of the tooth, but what to do in the meantime? There are so many home remedies which can be tried upon to make this process painless. But before telling about the remedies, I would like to tell some signs with which you can guess that your baby is going through this process. So the very first sign you may see, that is drooling. Drooling means when saliva is dripping from your baby's mouth and even you can feel lots of chewing and biting on their favorite stuff. For example, it can be toys. For some lucky babies, teething is a painless process, but for others, a very hard time with teething. And maybe they show vegetation for some weeks and have disturbed sleep and eating pattern. Though your baby's temperature can be a little high, but he/she must not experience high fever. And if you feel such symptoms, you must go to your doctor to consult it. And be sure to wipe that drool off her face because it can cause painful rashes and simply keeping her face dry can prevent it. For this, you may take the help of small whips which are available at shops. Now I want to tell you something about infants' dental hygiene. In terms of your infant dental hygiene, you must begin daily mouth cleaning before your baby's first tooth appears. If you have not started yet, don't worry friends, you should begin by wiping your baby's gums daily with a clean wet cloth or even brush them gently with an infant toothbrush, but it must be without toothpaste. When the first little tooth appears, brush it gently with water only. Toothpaste will be okay to use when your child is old enough to spit it out because digesting large amount of fluorides present in normal toothpaste is harmful for the children. So be sure that your baby isn't going to sleep with feeding bottles, with milk or juice. This can cause tooth decay or cavities. Now, I'm going to share some remedies with which you can just make this process painless in babies. So the very first remedy is you can massage. As I have already told you that swollen gums must be given gentle massage with your clean finger. Next, you can take the help of clove oil. With the help of this oil, the area or the gums can be numbed for some time. Third, you can do is cool spoon or clean wet cloth. Freeze a steel spoon and hand it to the baby to wet it, and it can comfort the gums. Or you can do one thing more, that is you can take a clean cloth, put some baby stuff in it and then freeze it for some time. When you feel like it is cool enough, just give it to your baby. Your baby will eat that stuff and it will also relieve the gums. Next is teething biscuits. It can be prepared at home only, and instead of simple milk, mothers can use breast milk if they can use it, so that you can be ensured that your baby is nibbling on something healthy and the ingredients you are using in it, they must be healthy. Then next thing is freeze fruits and veggies. Here you can peel the fruits off and vegetable and freeze them and then let your baby bite it. Next thing is teethers. Teethers, they are the best known toys in this phase to soothe the pain. Next is breast milk ice cream or the popsicles. They can be again prepared at home only. So try your best moms and give it to your baby so that her gums may feel soothness. One thing I want to add here, that the teething biscuits which you are preparing, they can be prepared with the help of banana or sweet potato. Next is, it's not a remedy, it's just a tip. Cuddle your baby more, try narrating a story to divert her attention, and she can be relieved from the pain. And you can also use one more thing, that is gripe water. It is generally used in babies for relieving in colic. But yes, in teething process, it can be used to soothe the gums or to soothe the pain. With this hope again that you will again like this video, guys. Please show your love. Thank you so much for listening patiently. Please like, hit, share and subscribe